Welcome to our presentation on organizational behavior. In this session, we will explore the key concepts and processes that shape human behavior in organizations. We'll cover topics like perception, social interaction, incentive systems, and impression management, critical areas that influence organizational success. Whether you are a student, professional, or simply curious about how organizations function, this presentation will provide valuable insights to help you better understand workplace dynamics. So, let's dive in and start our journey into the fascinating world of organizational behavior. Organizational behavior, OB, provides insights into managing human behavior in organizations. It takes a multidisciplinary approach, combining knowledge from social sciences to address workplace challenges. OB aims to improve teamwork, communication, and motivation, helping organizations remain productive and adaptable. It is dynamic and continuously evolves to meet modern workplace demands. Perceptual selectivity helps individuals filter stimuli based on relevance, influenced by internal needs and external cues. Perceptual organization arranges this information into patterns for meaningful interpretation, following principles like similarity and closure. Both processes are essential for effective decision-making and problem-solving in organizations. Barriers to social perception affect how individuals evaluate others, leading to biases and unfair judgments. Selective perception and stereotyping oversimplify evaluations, while first impressions and self-fulfilling prophecies reinforce inaccurate beliefs. Projection further complicates interactions by imposing personal views onto others. Recognizing and addressing these barriers helps improve fairness and communication in organizations. Impression management involves strategies to influence perceptions in the workplace. Employees often use tactics like self-promotion to highlight achievements, flattery to build relationships, and conformity to align with norms. Behavioral matching helps establish rapport, while consistency fosters trust. Ethical use of these tactics enhances reputation and career growth, but misuse can harm credibility. Individual incentive pay plans, like bonuses and stock options, often lead to ethical problems and short-term thinking. Employees may avoid helping others to maintain their own advantage. They focus on tasks that earn rewards, neglecting broader objectives. Moreover, these plans can create unhealthy competition, undermining teamwork and trust. Organizations must carefully balance incentives to promote fairness and collaboration. Group incentive pay plans encourage collective effort, but they also face challenges. High-performing employees may feel demotivated if others contribute less yet receive equal rewards. The delay in payouts can diminish motivation, and regular incentives may create entitlement issues. Organizations should design plans that recognize both individual and group efforts to address these challenges effectively. Thank you for joining us in this session on organizational behavior. We hope you found this presentation informative and helpful in understanding the key principles and practices that drive success in organizations. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about such topics, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. We value your support and look forward to bringing you more insightful content. See you in the next video.